Chapter 2: Desktop Management in Windows 10. Learning Outcomes. Starting Windows 10. Windows 10 screen. Start menu. Managing multiple windows. Personalizing Windows 10. Windows is a GUI-based operating system (OS) developed by Microsoft. Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10 are the most popular versions of Windows. A window is a separate viewing area on a computer display screen in a system that allows multiple viewing areas as part of a graphical user interface (GUI). Windows are managed by a Windows Manager as part of a windowing system. Windows 10 is the most popularly used OS. When we switch on the computer, first the lock screen and then the sign-in screen appears. After we have signed in, the screen that we see is called the desktop. Starting Windows 10. Just after turning on the computer system, the Windows 10 starts automatically. This function is called the booting. Factbot. Windows 11 is the latest major release of Microsoft's Windows OS, released on October 5, 2021. Windows 10 screen. In the previous class, we have learned about the different parts of the screen. Let us recall them once again. Desktop screen. It appears after switching on the computer. It shows all the programs and documents. Taskbar. It is a bar which is used to launch any program with a single click of the mouse. Start button. It is located on the bottom left corner of the desktop. It is used to open the Start menu. Icons. Small button-like structures that appear on the desktop are called icons. An icon represents a program or different features. Factbot. We can open any program by double-clicking the icon. Notification area. It notifies us about the tasks that are happening in our system. Time and date. It shows the current time and date. We can also change the time and date. Start menus. Start menu is the main point of access to our applications. There are two main ways to open it. Step 1. By using mouse, click Windows icon in the lower left corner of the taskbar. Step 2. Press the Windows key on the keyboard. The Windows 10 Start menu features two panes, that is left pane and right pane. Left pane contains all the applications and programs installed in the computer, whereas the right pane has tiles or live tiles that can be customized, resized and reorganized. Search box. Search box on the taskbar makes it easier for us to search the web and Windows. It also allows to turn on or off Cortana, give suggestions, ideas, reminders, alerts and more. Factbot. To open an application in Windows 10, click the Start button, then choose the desired application. Managing multiple windows. Windows 10 has several features that make it easier for multitasking and work with multiple windows at the same time. Snap. Snap helps to organize the space on the screen more efficiently, improving productivity. Using this feature, we can quickly snap windows to the sides or corners perfectly using the mouse, keyboard and touch without the need to resize and position them manually. To use the snap feature, we can click and drag the desired window to the left or right until the cursor reaches the edge of the screen. Then release the mouse. The window will snap into place. Factbot. To unsnap a window, simply click and drag the window down. Flip. Flip feature in Windows 10 is used to switch between open windows. To do this, press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard. Then press the Tab key. Continue pressing the Tab key until the desired window is selected. Task view. Task View is a task switcher and virtual desktop system introduced in Windows 10 and is among the first features new to Windows 10. Task View allows a user to quickly locate an open window, quickly hide all windows and show the desktop, and to manage windows across multiple monitors or virtual desktops. To open Task View, click the Task View button near the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Virtual desktops. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, we can move some of the windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. It is especially helpful for managing a lot of windows at the same time. To create a new desktop, open Task View, then select New Desktop near the bottom right corner. Showing the desktop. If we have a lot of windows open at the same time, it can be difficult to see the desktop. When this happens, we can click the bottom right corner of the taskbar to minimize all open windows. Just click it again to restore the minimized windows. Personalizing Windows 10. Moving a tile. Moving tiles allows to configure the start menu exactly how we want it and allows to group tiles logically or randomly as we see fit. Follow the steps below to move a tile. Step 1. Open the start menu. Step 2. Click and hold the tile you want to move. Step 3. Drag it to the new position. Step 4. Release the tile. The tile is moved now. Fact Bot. While dragging the tile, Windows fades the tile slightly and adds extra space between the tiles. Resizing a tile. The sizes of the tiles can also be edited on the Start menu. Depending on the Windows app, there may be up to 4 options for resizing tiles in Windows 10: wide, large, medium, and small, with the initial selection made for us. Follow the steps below to resize the tile. Step 1. Right-click on the desired tile. A context menu appears. Step 2. Click on the Resize. A sub-menu will appear. Step 3. Select the size you want. The size of the tile will be changed. Fact Bot. Cortana is a personal assistant that helps us save time and focus attention on what matters most. It responds to natural language and can perform a variety of organizational tasks for users, including setting reminders, scheduling calendar events, and converting measurements and currency. Switching between running apps. Windows 10 introduces a new feature called Task View. Task View is a virtual desktop manager that allows to quickly switch between all of the open apps on multiple desktops. We can create custom additional desktops to group apps for productivity, entertainment, or whatever you choose. Follow the steps below to switch between apps. Step 1. In the taskbar, click on the Task View. Windows displays the thumbnail of all running apps. Step 2. Click on the thumbnail of the app you want to switch to. Windows switches to the app. Opening the Settings app. Follow the steps below to open the Settings app. Step 1. Click on the Start button to open the Settings app. Step 2. Click on Settings. The Settings window will appear. Step 3. Click on any icon that you want to open. For example, here we have clicked on the personalization icon. The Settings window will open on the desktop. Changing desktop background. When we start the computer, desktop is the first thing that appears on the screen. Follow the steps below to change the desktop background. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Step 2. Click on the Settings. Setting app will appear. Step 3. Click on the Personalization. The Personalization settings will appear. Step 4. Click on the Background. Step 5. Click on the down arrow of the background and select Picture. Step 6. Click on the desired picture. Step 7. Click on the down arrow of Choose a fit and then click the positioning. The preview of the selected picture will appear in the preview section. Step 8. Click on the Close button. New Windows desktop will appear. ActBot. We can make our desktop background more beautiful by changing its background image or wallpaper. Change the desktop background of your PC or laptop. Locking the computer. If we have to leave the Windows 10 PC alone for a period of time and we don't want to shut it down, we can turn off its display by locking it using one of the following methods. Lock computer via the user icon in Start menu. Open Start menu, click the user icon and choose Lock in the list. Lock computer through Ctrl+Alt+Delete options. Press Ctrl, Alt and Delete at the same time and then select Lock from the options. Lock computer in Screensaver settings. Type Lock computer in the search box on the taskbar and choose Lock the computer when I leave it alone for a period of time. In the Screensaver settings dialog box, choose on Resume, display log on screen and press OK button. Some bot. Windows are managed by a Windows Manager as part of a windowing system. When we switch on the computer, first the lock screen and then the sign-in screen appears. Start button is located on the bottom left corner of the desktop. Snap helps to organize the space on the screen more efficiently, improving productivity. Flip feature in Windows 10 is used to switch between open windows. The sizes of the tiles can also be edited on the Start menu. Tech Bytes. Updated, latest. Notify, inform. Thumbnail, miniature representation of an image. Configure, setup.